Ndizi TV Obwansu Gusii.
Chumurigere rubegeta Kisii Ndizi TV na Obwansu Gusii no kuyana kwane mnari tkureo ndigenderete ko bari toyerukima nanene no genderete kwego kya asuku bwati mirobero yonsi yeri tkoria lero ikirorire ritkoria Jumapili tariki 25 nemo cyumutinyo gatano umwaka ne bw'iki 2024 na manga genderete gukorekana imense ya Kenya ninekero turoche abarai au bage siasa bagenderete wikirana gose gusangirekana se chikanisa ase umuyega gusase mesangirekano yemechango nababwatani ase Muriye wanangu sabo kwabera asumu chando imoke obagotoka sensemo yemetambo nana kumanya umukonyi umurayibwe serigadiga shawa munabarayibandi ko serikali nigo bare asumu sangerekano bw'amasabo yobwamo asensemo ya Kisii IMAYIA County ya Wasingishu nabarai au anene ko county ya Kisii nigo bayikiranire ase kanisa yege Catholic ya Nyabururu asumu yega bwo mochango yogenderete gusoyo korekana ase ritkoria rero okwarigania semesema yaye CHINSA ISANO na IBERE cyabona mubaso iri kumanyimina na Riana kwariganira senchera ere yobwenye yendra gotonyora sensemo ya Facebook wetera Ndizi TV News Digital asensemo ya YouTube tonyora wetera Ndizi TV News na bigo ase website yetu na boko somo wetera www.ndizitv.net eri togendere kusanga sobwamo. Mwanchio murigeri yetariane EVERLYNE OSERO nurio kwaine kya chibichanerio gicha wikera senchira ya bena nigakoro kwa Kevin Mugambingo kwa ntobe togo sanga gweka omario iriyo kumanya bunagenderete gukorekana IMAYIA ya Kenya AMAYIA CHINSA ISANO na IBERE senchira yobenge togo yachaka senchira ya bene korwase county ya Kisii awase abarai au gati yabo omochumbe o South Mugrango ogosomo chumbe okitutu chache South Anthony Kibagendi obadia baronko na boigo mochumbe webunge ya bonchari Dr. Charles Onchoke egati ya baraibande anene aba MCA korwase chi ward ya chirime bunge ya kitutu chache South babere bagwikirana ase ekerisia kya Nyabururu asomuyega bwo mochango oyo ogendrotoro no muyega obago kwariganiwa ase abarai au bakagere gwikirana eryo gosira ekanise yo asensemo yo bwagachi nabo igo egati ya yanda mange tigatorera chibicha abuna amore oberi yogendrete ase chinsemicho. Mwanchio murigeri aichona nechibija korwa sensemo ya Nyabururu noroboti urogendrete kubwatiwa na bariki baito astrachi kumanyia mange ayo barayibara chego kwa naroro ekerobo igo omonogeri bwebunkenene Moses Masika wetangula akagere wekirana ase omoyogoyo tokotikana nayo nigo omochumbe onyari bari masaba Dr. Daniel Manduku agendrete no muroberi obwogosira abantu anene bari bare abataka korwa sebunge yaye anena se okubaga bagachera chinyomba mono balia chinyomba chiagotire inse y'umurobero umanyekanite buna ondoa nyumba nyasi asogukina magacho ase ensemeyo okwana magega yo kurugosiro ko kwagache nyumba sensemeye moni galireira yo gucyakogenderera kubwato kugosiro ko nane nasaruro ko bore ucyasaba ibori kwenekiya buna abana babonsi bakire ase chiskuru nigo boigo alireira yo gucyakwenekiya buna abago tubonsi babere bakurikiwa sumurobero bobuwenya ONHF eriko bakonya konyora obokorera bobuwenya se kinyagetari asenchera ere y'ubororo
abana bonsi kibanisiko ona atebete bagani school nane ngateba form 1 form 2 form 3 form 4 school jeto ganka je constituency kwa kana fees aye mo gana yes ti mataka nyora mwana kali yes abantu banya mesoje matanga baba rute kale banya umaji bobisi nakingo jara mono ina abantu bane injiro yo ino mosomi abana nabagaka nabangine bali abakoro nicho babekene chaifu mtu ale angalia kichwa mtu ale besa benya gitari
Orunor batboigo murikecho Mildred mumanya genrete kobwatia natiko tumanyia manka yorabeka okorekana asebunke yo ya nyari bari masaba tokotikana na yabereka okorekana ime yorogongo ruwa Gusii nigo egatia barai kurwase orogonko ruwa bokamba gatia bo mukonyi bo mugavana ime county ya Machakos Francis Mwangangi babere bagukwanira igoro yo bokoreri ase serikali CH county kurengana baraboni go bamutirie serikali kubwatikana no bagibwechi besa gatie ye serikali nene na bayigo serikali CH county asibateru na chibesa chinyinge nigo chigotikara ase serikali nene ikige kwirira okwirana magega kwa magendro ase serikali CH county nabono nigo baruro koboria go cyase serikali kweneke abuna chibesa cyabere chiko bagwa akiriya mono kirengete emerobero y'Ch county cyabere chikwena no bene go cyase abagavana asoko eneki abuna babere bago chitumeka centre bwene rutayiro ikirania amagendro asaba 90 nabo igo gukinia amagendro ase county.
We have a formula for revenue sharing between the two levels of government. Let us be realistic and honest. Today, tukisema mwaka huu ile budget ambayo tunatarajia kuanzia June. Saa hii as we sit here, ikiwa vile gavana kwa hapa ni vile naona huko Machakos tunafanya. Everywhere governor goes, everywhere MCS wanaenda. Wanaambiwa tunataka maji, tunataka barabara, tunataka nini. Today, the sharing of that money, national cake, it's in a favor of one level of government, national government. Almost 91% of our revenue inabaki Nairobi. 9% ndio inakuja kwa devolution huko chini. Hizi mahospitali huyu gavana atajenga na nini? So I think we need a conversation and to strengthen devolution. There is no devolution without resourcing the same devolution.
Failing to devote the money for the counties in full is in breach of the constitution and is an offense a president can be impeached. Pesa ya health iende kwa governor. Pesa ya kilimo iende kwa governor. Weka kusikia fertilizer inauzwa national government inafaa kuwa na governor ama namna gani? Ila maneno yako devote kwa katiba, tufuate katiba yetu. Na tukifanya namna hiyo mambo itaenda mzuri. Finally Bishop.
Na magega yomuraibense Dr. William Samuel Ruto gukoreta royaje emergency ya United States of America nigo bono aibirengerero guse aba Kenya abagenderete kubwatuka ebirengerero byabo anene cinga kyabande bagenderete kumumocha Ruto asogota babuna nigo atumegete enibo ere nyinge wetane kerengo ase etareyo libagalie nibe yotumeka asensemo ya magendero nabo nigo muri kyomonene ase kyombe kyabakore mirimo kotu Francis Atwoli abereka weso kena ukwanire nganeye asamochirie baria bagukwana bube igoro yetare yo ya Ruto anaotabuna Ruto no muraiwense na igo nabwenete gutumeka libageri bene ase oko gosaso gutwara cinga kinyororo cinga kya kwenda semerobero ose cinga kya kwenda sinsemo au ase ekerenga yokoreta amagendro emergency ya Kenya.
You must live well, you must think well, you must be focused. You must be in command of everything around you in leadership. Kusema president mzima aende na Kenya Airways Ulaya, hata ukiongea watu wengine wakisikia watakucheka sana. Hata akiwa kwa business, angoje mtu mwingine akiwa kwa choo, president amesimama hivi anagojea huyo mtu atoke ndiye aingie kwa choo ya ndege. Na kwenda Amerika ni zaidi ya masaa 18, saa ingine 20 because stopovers. Na 200 million shillings, kama unalilia 200 million shillings, utaletea Waluhya 1 billion. Mkutano yangu ya Buhungu ya kuleta Waluhya pamoja, Buhungu 1, I used more than 200 million Kenya shillings. Ile tulikalisha Musalia kwa kiti. Mimi nilikuwa serikali.
Magega yoko chorwa kwa ambassador barachi kuwakilisha nchi ya Kenya ase CHINSA au imeyorogongorwa Afrika ni gobono kubolia kwa birego kurewo gochasaba ambassador bo kweneke bunango ikirania bare obokorerwa bo asenchera ebwenete na mono kweneke buna babere bakwari bagari nene asense moyo bonchorira asogo konya gokinya uchumi yani gakwanirwe nabarayi kurwa imense ya Kenya achinga kibabete bagwikirana ase umuyega bwo kumwarigana boigo wakangambia mono omo ambassador obwense ya Kenya gochia Misri Frederick Outa Weno nyana bobetega kugokera ogochoro kwa eno tena nigo arachie kubwaterana na ambassador bande na boigabarai asoko eneke buna obokoreri obuya bwabere bokurwe wakati ense ya Kenya na boigo Misri chinga kyecho ni gabara ya bobaganetiye abarai bande kweneke na boigaba ambassador kweneke buna ngosira bare serikali ya Kenya kwanza insobora iwa Dr. William Samuel Ruto asokoreta amagendron hobigo gosukia ense ya Kenya busio.
I have a business, number one, to protect Kenya abroad. I have a business to promote Kenya. And I have a business to advance the security and interest of the Republic of Kenya. And that's it.
Fred, I know you at a personal level for a long time. I know you are somebody of great dedication, great commitment, and I know you will serve this country with great zeal and commitment so that you can facilitate upscaling of the relationships between our great Republic, Kenya, and the country of Egypt.
The architecture and objective of diplomacy has changed. We no longer spend so much money on espionage and looking how to strengthen our armed forces, but diplomacy has become more of a trade and commerce issue, inviting investments into the country.
What do we get from this relationship between Kenya and Egypt within the context of COMESA, Africa Free Trade Area, and above all, at a bilateral level between Kenya and Egypt?
And I want to commit that we'll work with you, we'll give you the right kind of information from the Office of the Government Spokesperson so that we can achieve that which we want to do. Let me state categorically that we owe His Excellency the President a great debt of gratitude for this appointment.
I had noticed you had invited everybody from all political parties, but I have noticed some of us are not here by way of party affiliations. They will come to Egypt. Welcome them. Show them that political party lines cannot divide us.
Nigo abateneli bekiombe kiana tanene korwa se county ya Kericho babere baweso kiana korwa okwemrungana kwabo anene utia se kiombe ya Teacher Service Commission kubatkana nege tamkero yoko bagania abaro kia ba junior secondary korikari uko kumagega yabarabo weso kiana gokora omugiro na gutagenda semeremo yabo askiri abaganitie amagani yabo abeka gwekiraniwa nigo bona bateneli yabo babere bakwegerera abari mwabo ba CHSS asogoteba buna nigo babiri bagokora emeremere ngia na igo okugania kwabo ngwente gwikiraniwa anene ase okuri kwa permanent nabo igo nigo baigereire omogiro yo gusinukurobeka no kubabiri bagokora na otana nenchire yemo yo koenekia buna berwanereire asokonyora obusibore bwabo na igo nigo bwente kurigererwa nabo igo gwikiraniwa amagania abo nabo nigo baruro kubore ocha serikali koenekia buna chingwana chabene chabere chigokorekana gati yese wizara yetsemi nabo igo ekiombe ya Teacher Service Commission asokoenekia buna abari mu ba JSS babere bagokonyeka.
Instead of intimidating these teachers, instead of harassing them with show cause letters, they are just supposed to be confirmed. What they are asking is very genuine because 17,000 shillings is very little money and they have really suffered and they have really sacrificed. Working for 17,000 shillings for 2 years is not a joke. So we expected our employer, we expected the government to talk to these people, give them an assurance that they are going to be confirmed. But instead, this is so rude. They're just served with show cause letters in good numbers. It is very unfortunate, to say the least. It is very discouraging. You can imagine how those teachers are going to feel just to answer show cause, and yet they went for this demonstration asking for permission from the security personnel, and actually they did this demonstration in the right way because in this country we are allowed to picket when you are not comfortable in our constitution. It is enshrined in our constitution. So our issue is, then why serve them again with a show cause letter instead of giving them a way forward? These teachers are feeling so bad because they can see people who cleared after them being served with letters of PNP while they are still maintained with show cause letters and to continue being interns. It is very unfair, to say the least. So we are calling upon the employer to consider taking a different step of communicating to these teachers, telling them the way forward and the plans that our commission has for these teachers after sacrificing for a period almost 2 years.
And the demonstration was peaceful and it was all over the country, and the government was very much aware about this demonstration. We got the permit from police department, and I don't know the reason why the Teacher Service Commission used in writing show cause letters to these teachers. It is barbaric, it is illogical, it is irrational, and it is inhuman.
Wanchi muri banoroboti onorotre tomerio bwa maye CHINSA ISANO nebera senchira ere yobwenge antumira nechikoraga CHINSA ikomieri ngubanyaya munaenda manke asenchira ere yobwenge endra kwati miroberion ya Ndizi TV asensemo ya Facebook atonyero witra Ndizi TV News Digital asensemo ya YouTube Ndizi TV News na bigo ase website ito na boko yasomo witra www.ndizitv.net erio togendre gusanga asobwa moire terane EVERLYNE OSERO orione kyachibichane ryogi chawe kera senchira bene nigakoro kwa Kevin Mugambi twaro burigere rworo bya nabo igo umubaso oromotairero.